Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the marvelous world of French gastronomy and unveil the authentic eating habits of the French people. When it comes to food, the French take it very seriously. They believe that each meal should be enjoyed and savored. The art of French gastronomy lies in taking your time to truly appreciate the flavors and textures of every dish. In France, eating together is a cherished tradition. Families and friends gather around the table to share a meal and connect with each other. It's not just about fueling the body. It's about nurturing relationships and creating memories. One of the key aspects of French eating habits is portion control. Unlike many other cultures that indulge in large portions, the French believe in quality over quantity. They take smaller portions and savor each bite, focusing on the taste and pleasure it brings. Another notable aspect of French gastronomy is the emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. The French love to buy their produce from local markets, where they can find the finest fruits, vegetables, and meats. This commitment to quality ingredients enhances the overall dining experience. Additionally, the French are known for their love of variety and balance. Every meal consists of a carefully curated mix of flavors and textures. From cheese and baguettes to delicate pastries, there is always something for everyone to enjoy. Lastly, the French enjoy a leisurely dining experience. Meals are not rushed, they are a time to relax, unwind, and escape from the demands of the day. It's a chance to engage in meaningful conversations and savor the pleasures of life. And there you have it, the art of French gastronomy, with its authentic eating habits and rich traditions. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of French food culture. If you want to explore more culinary adventures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.